What's up, guys? This is Al the Barber again. Um, I just got hit up on Al's making a cut by one of our members, and they wanted to know about the M3s versus the other trimmers. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go over a few trimmers that I use, and I'm sure that a lot of us use in the barbering industry. So we're gonna go ahead and get that started. First, I'm gonna show you what I have here. I hope everybody can see the video here. Um, I'm gonna start off with the M3s. These M3s may look a little different because again I have mine kind of customized. This is the M3s, and then you have the Style Liner 2s. The new one that I definitely want to go over with today with you is going to be the Super Trimmer by Andis. A couple of features I want to go over with that. And then also, of course, everybody know the standard gray Andis trimmers, and then we have the black trimmers or the ebony trimmers from Andis as well. Now you may see that I have a blade up here. Now this blade, the reason why I have this blade here is because for the BGR Plus or the BGRCs, they actually make a outliner blade. Let you get a look at that there. They actually make an outliner blade for it. It's a 1 millimeter, so that goes with the BGRCs or the BGR Pluses. Now, it's really not in different sets of clippers. It's really not that much difference between the two trimmers here. These are the standard trimmers that everybody use. Definitely continue using these, recommending these. These have always been the best. In my opinion, Andis makes the best trimmer. So the only difference between these two, well, a couple of differences here. I have a ProMate blade on this trimmer here, on my black trimmer. I use the square blade. I like using, still like using the square blade. So I have a square ProMate blade on that blade. Here, I still have the standard gray trimmer here with the T blade. So I have a clipper with that have the T blade, and I have one that has the square blade. So now the only real difference between these two that I've seen is the cord. The cord is a little bit longer on the ebony trimmer, and also it has the 3-prong grounding, so it's a more industrial style clipper as far as the cord goes. Now between the Style Liner and the M3, again I have the T blade on my Style Liner 2s. I also had a T blade on my M3s, but this blade is a ProMate blade. Now, one of the main differences between the M3s and the Style Liner 2, more power, and also it runs a lot cooler. And then actually, once you add the ProMate blade, that blade runs cooler anyway, so you're actually making this a much better clipper. So I do definitely recommend the M3. Add that ProMate blade to it. You have a clipper that you can cut with a long time, won't run as hot, and the blade will not get hot, so you're not scarring and giving your customers that permanent line. Again, the standard, the Style Liner 2, definitely a very good clipper to have. It's a workhorse. They do tend to get a little hot, more so than the M3, but a very good clipper. If you have this clip in your arsenal, keep using it. It's a very good clipper. When you want to upgrade, if you want to go upgrade to the M3, that's definitely something that you should do. It'll allow you to be more productive, make more money, get a lot more cuts in. Now, back to this outliner blade. This goes with the BGR blade. Of course, this is a detachable blade with the BGR pluses here. They don't have it in ceramic. It's still a metal blade, but it's a good backup blade to have if your clipper's getting hot. Or I have mine set for where I can line up on the back of the neck, and also little kids, so it doesn't sting them on the neck. They're not complaining about, the clippers cutting them and things like that. So you definitely can get that blade for your BGRs or your BGRCs. Now, to the Andis, the new Andis clipper, the Super Trimmer, is smaller than all the trimmers that Andis carries in the line. And if you didn't know already, these clippers are detachable, and it has the pivot motor inside of the trimmer. I like the trimmer. It cuts very well. You can set the blade, you can adjust the blade on this clipper. Now, it's very light, very easy to use, and actually it cuts really good. But the one problem I have with this clipper is that it's loud. It's very loud. So it's a lot loud. It's a lot louder than all your other Andis trimmers. And that's the Andis trimmer there. This is the M3. But this one here is loud. But outside of being loud, it's very light. It seems very durable. It comes with the T-blade standard. I'm sure they're gonna eventually come out with a square blade where you can interchange it, which would definitely be good. But as far as the quality of the clipper, um, is very good and it cuts very well. Again, you can adjust your blade. Once you get your blade adjusted, um, it works very well. I've done a couple of designs with it. I actually done some hairlines with children, and it works. I have it set for that, and it actually is a very good cutting blade. So definitely recommend that to you. Um, Again, I'm gonna be on YouTube. I'm gonna be on Al's Making a Cut. If you have any questions or anything about any trimmers or anything that I can be of assistance to you with, definitely hit me up. Again, this is Elder Barber. If you have anything else you want to ask me, hit me up on Al's Making a Cut, or you'll see me on YouTube. You have a good day.